The series of C programming. In today's class, we are going to see about what is the need of function and why we and what is the main advantages of function, and also with an example we are have to see. Consider the scenario that you have a set of statements to calculate the square root of a number. Means you used to set the set of statements and you have to copy and paste 1,000 times in 1,000 places. So after some time you understand that there is a bug in one of the any one statement. Means you have to go through that 1,000 statement and find the bug. So this is a very tedious task when you are writing all the codes in the main program. So once you got any bug in that any statement in the main function, you have to go through that all the 1,000 statements and find the bug and then reconsider that. So this is the main disadvantages of writing all the codes in the main function. And also consider the another scenario. Suppose you want to print a happy birthday message to you want to send a happy birthday message to 1,000 people's. Means you have to you have to write that separate code, that code in that main function. We have to write copy paste all the above four statements 1,000 times in the main function itself. So this is also, it is a very tedious task. It is a time consuming of writing all the codes in the main function only. And also that the execution time of the function is very fast, and it reduces the efficiency. So to avoid that two situations, what we have to do, so this is the two situation is arranged when you write all the programs in the main program. Now the solution to that thing is you have to write the repeatedly executed set of statements in separate subprogram and call that subprogram whenever you need. So this is the solution for that problem. So that name is called it as a function. So function is nothing but it is a set of statements that takes a input and process that input and produces some specific output. So this is the definition of the function. So this is a subprogram. So whenever you need the set of statements, means you call the function and use that in your execution code. So this is the way the function is defined. The function definition, in the function specification, you have two important components there. One is the function definition, other one is the function declaration. So the function declaration, what is the syntax means, it have the return type and function name, and within bracket we have to pass the set of arguments. So this is the syntax of function declaration. So once you declare that, you have to define that function in the separate subprogram. So the syntax of that definition means return type, function name, and within the bracket we have a set of arguments. So in that definition is called in the main program. So in the main program you have a calling function and called function in the subprograms. So in the main program, the calling function, you have a set of arguments, that is call it as actual arguments. In the function definition, you have a set of arguments, that is have the formal arguments. So the main important consideration is that the actual and formal parameters should be same. So the main advantages of using that function is the reusability and abstraction. So what is the reusability means, once you define the function in the separate subprograms, it can be reused over and again whenever needed, and also it provides the subtraction. So we know as an end user, we don't need to know about what are all the inside representation of the function. Once you call the function is executed. Once the function is completed, the function return back to the main program and do the remaining set of statements. So this is the main disadvantages of using that function. So I said in the starting, I said one scenario of you have to print that happy birthday message to you have to send the happy birthday message to 1,000 people's. Means you call it you write those four statements in separate subprogram. So the name of the subprogram is birthday. So you call that birthday function in the main whenever you need it. So this is a solution to the overcome the above problem. So I hope you will understand. So what is the function, how that function is reduce that code produce the code reusability and increase the efficiency of the program. I hope you will understand that implement need of the function with an example. Thank you.